In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT to an invoice in Zoho, and we'll get this done in just around 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger organization, knowing how to add VAT correctly is crucial. A clear understanding of this process will not only help you stay compliant with local tax laws, but also ensure your bookkeeping is seamless and efficient. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Zoho Books account. If you're unfamiliar with Zoho Books, it's an excellent platform for managing your business finances. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you'll get an overview of your financial activities. The next step is to navigate to the Settings section. This is typically found at the lower part of the left-hand menu. Clicking on Settings will open up a wide array of options that allow you to customize your Zoho Books experience according to your business needs. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for Taxes and Compliance. Here, Zoho offers tools and settings focused specifically on tax-related configurations. This section ensures you can manage your taxes effectively, adhering to the tax rules relevant to your region. Within the Taxes and Compliance section, the next step is to click on Taxes. You'll find this easily as it's a straightforward option that is associated with setting up and managing various tax rates directly within your account. After clicking on Taxes, you'll want to create a new tax rate, so look for the New Tax button. This is where you'll add a VAT rate to apply on invoices. By clicking New Tax, you are telling Zoho that you want to set up and use a new tax parameter in your financial system. Now it's time to enter the name of your VAT tax. It's a good practice to give it a descriptive name so that you immediately know it's the VAT when you see it. Simply type in the VAT tax name that fits your business requirements. Clarity is key when naming to avoid any future confusion. Next, you'll need to set the VAT percentage. Enter the percentage that applies to your country or region. This is essential because using the correct rate ensures compliance with tax laws. Make sure you confirm the right percentage before proceeding to avoid any miscalculations in your tax filings. Finally, once all the information is correctly entered, click on Save. This ensures all your new settings are active. Save your settings carefully, and remember, if you need to make changes, you can always return to this section in Zoho Books. And there you have it, your new VAT is set up and ready to be applied to your invoices. Following these steps ensures you're accurately and efficiently managing your tax processes in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you navigate the world of finance management in Zoho.